To reconcile split payments in accounting software. Start by recording the split payment. Go to the Business menu. Click on Invoices. And then select New Invoice to record your split payments. Next, navigate to the Accounting tab. Click on Bank Accounts. And select the specific bank account. From there, click on the Manage Account option and then choose Reconcile Account. This will bring up a screen where you can reconcile your bank transactions with your invoices. Select the invoices that the split payments were made against, and the software will automatically match the payments for you. If it doesn't find a match, you can manually select the payment from the list by clicking on the Find and Match button. Ensure that the amount of the invoice and the amount of the payments are equal, as the sum of the selected transactions must match the money received. If the amounts don't match, you can't reconcile the payment. However, you can make adjustments by clicking on the Add Adjustment button to add bank fees or make minor changes. Once the balance has been matched with the invoice balance, click on the Reconcile button to complete the process.